Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your LG K42, and first you have to be logged into your Instagram account, and then just simply pick up the picture that you want to download. So I will go for this one. Next we have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type repost for Instagram. We are going to get this up from Kimsey929. Let's open. And here we got the two ways how we can download the picture. So by using these three dots in the right upper corner or this share button. So right now we have to go back to the Instagram. Let's try this one. Click share to, and then just simply pick up the repost for Instagram application. Right now let's go back to this app. Click on the photo, tap right here, and then click here to save this photo. And after that we can easily enter our gallery, and I think it will be in the images probably. And as you can see, here I get the photo that I download from Instagram on our LG K42. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!